Hello, beautiful friends. Welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? Hello, how are you doing? All right, so without much ado, I want us to go straight to the business of today. Today, I'll be talking about my life experience with this. I believe this you all know about this. So, if you have been following me here on this channel, you must know this. Yes, because I have been uploading so many videos about this here on this channel, and I do tell you guys that this is a spirit. This is alligator pepper. It's alligator pepper. So I am here to share with you my life experience with this alligator pepper. Yes, I don't know if I've told you guys that even if I don't have transport fare in my purse, I will always have this in my purse. Even if I don't have water at home, I always have this at home. Just to tell you how important it is to me. Even if I don't have airtime on my phone, I must have this at home. Just to tell you, it is very much important to me. In fact, the usefulness can never be overemphasized on. So I just want to share with you my life experience with this. I believe someone is going to, be delivered from this. Okay. Yeah, sometimes ago I traveled. Okay, I left my room for some times. Okay, I traveled for one thing or the other. If you watch closely, for some days now I've not been able to upload new videos because of one thing or the other. So during the course of the travel, I managed to get this, as usual, to have it in my bag, just like normal way I do it always. Okay, on getting there, in the night, after saying my prayers, I lay down to sleep. Okay, it was a few minutes after 12. I noticed this that something was really pressing me down, like I wasn't getting myself. It was as if my breath is about to cease, and I was struggling even in my dream, even physically, I was still struggling. Definitely, I had a serious attack. Okay, I had a serious attack, and you know what it means? I don't even know. I have to check, I have to use my touch. There was no lights actually at this point, so I have to use my touchlight. The first thing I checked out is to see if war gecko was around me, because it's a bad sign. I don't hesitate to check out on those stuffs. Or spider, war gecko and spider, these two things, whenever they are beside your bed, you will see yourself dreaming so badly to the point that you may not be able to defend yourself even in your dream. It is an experience that I have experienced like many times. So if you have not experienced it before, maybe you may not understand what I'm talking about. I'm so sorry about that. Okay, so what did I do when I checked around and I found out that there was nothing around there that would have cost me my sound sleep. Okay, so what I did was to head straight to my purse and unzip it and brought this out. Actually, the one I brought out actually opened. When I opened it, I took four say, when you open it, you see it badge by badge. I opened it up and took four seed out of it and drop it at the four corner of that particular mattress. You can call it bed, you can call it foam, just four corner of it. Okay, yeah, you don't put it where you use your leg to fling it up. If you are the type that you can sleep badly like that, you can put it under the foam. Okay, so when you just put it there, four corner of it, then the next thing I did was to pick seven. Is a perfect number in terms of spirituality, so I picked seven and put all of them into my mouth. Okay, as I was chewing it, I was proclaiming words that any kind of spirit around you, I have to pray like a wounded lion. Understand? Yeah, any spirits around here, whatever that is suppressing in my dream, whoever, I am careless to know, because in what I know what I'm made of. As of this point, I render you powerless. You know what I'm talking about? So after praying, I threw all of them and splashed it at the entrance of the door and do what I went back to my bed. That was all. Till I spent how many days I spent there, I never experienced it again until I left that particular place. Okay, so you can see that your belief, your faith has a lot to do in stuffs like this. So if you're the type you don't believe in all these things, there is no need trying, because these things has procedure, you will get to that. If you just do small something to just to start working for you. So if you want to ascertain to that area like that height, you have to pass through some rigorous processes, like you have to do cleansing, you have to do, yeah, cleansing, removal of marks, and then removal of bed bugs, sorry, what is it called again, spider webs that are covering you. Then you have to change your orientation about things, because some people do say this thing like it doesn't work, it is ancestral something. I wonder what our forefathers worshipped when they were alive. So don't be deceived. God created all this for us to make use of them for the battle ahead of us, because He knows we are not fighting against flesh and blood, but against the principalities and powers in the what highest places. So dearest friends, if you can just give this a try, in case you find yourself in such scenario, like in such condition, you can give it a try, and I tell you, you will come back to testify. Okay, this is tested and trusted. I believe you must have gotten something tangible from this. Love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.